Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Brett Bagansky. It is one for the record books for the month of December. Not only did we have record warm temperatures, but it mixed in with a powerful storm system that swept across our state and throughout the heartland Wednesday. So here is some of the damage from the gusty wind. At certain times, the wind gusts reached more than 90 miles per hour. In other places, it reached up to 100 miles per hour. This storm system knocked down trees and power poles. And KDOT had no choice but to close the highways in the western part of our state because of low visibility and overturned semis. And this morning, Governor Laura Kelly issued a state of disaster emergency because of wildfires burning around the state, specifically in northern and western Kansas. Because of this declaration, state resources can help local fire departments put out the fires. The National Guard deployed Black Hawk helicopters to provide assistance from the sky. And many of those fires are still burning as we speak. And perhaps the largest and most destructive one is in north central Kansas. Take a look here. Hundreds of square miles burned and several homes are now gone. Along the Osborne-Russell County line, KSN's Hunter Funk is live at the scene. And Hunter, you just spoke with the sheriff.
Brett, yeah, this area, I'm just a little south of Paradise, where this area has just been hit really hard. If you look behind me, you can see it was a pickup. They just carried it off that was burned and also flipped over at the time. Now I'm going to take you over here. You can see this ranch that has been burned up, as well as some of that farm buildings. Now, the biggest challenge is ranchers have been out here all morning working to find and feed their cattle that survived. The Russell County Sheriff says he's not sure exactly how many cattle were killed in the fire, but expects it to be a large amount. Now, as for the houses burns, he estimates about 6 to 10 houses. He says that's a minimum. And the hardest part, the sheriff says, is seeing the livelihoods and the homes lost.
It's devastating for these people. These people have worked their entire lives building these places. You know, last night a lot of them lost what they've worked for a long time, not just where they sleep at, not just a roof over their head. Yeah, you had a lifetime of hard work and investment.
Now, the sheriff said this is one of the worst situations he's seen in his 25+ years as a sheriff's officer. Now, outside of that, we have heard that 3 people were hospitalized, including 1 firefighter. We don't know the extent of the injuries, but we'll continue to bring you updates, especially for our newscast at 5 and 6. Here for you in Paradise, Hunter Funk, KSN News 3.
Unbelievable scene there, Hunter, and hopefully everybody's going to be okay. Hunter, we'll see you soon. And there's another fire that's still burning out west near the Colorado state line. Multiple crews got the call to Wichita County. A Kearney County firefighter took this picture, and KSN found out 3 homes and several outbuildings are now gone.